questions and answers. How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. How is your family? How is your family? Everyone is good. Everyone is good. How about your work? How about your work? It's going well. It's going well. How do you know me? How do you know me? I have seen you in the market. I have seen you in the market. What does your father do? What does your father do? My father is a doctor. My father is a doctor. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? I am coming from the market. I am coming from the market. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. Are you ill? Yes, I am having fever. Yes, I am having fever. No, I am fine. No, I am fine. Do you know me? Do you know me? Yes, I know you. Yes, I know you. No, I do not know you. Anything else? Anything else? Nothing else. When did you come? When did you come? I came yesterday. I came yesterday. How old are you? How old are you? I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old. Where were you? Where were you? I was in Dubai. I was in Dubai. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. What do you want? What do you want? I want a car. I want a car. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from America. I am from America. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Canada. I live in Canada. What's up these days? What's up these days? Nothing special as usual. Nothing special as usual. What is the problem? There is no problem. There is no problem. None of your business. None of your business. What do you do? I am a student. What do you like? What do you like? I like to read stories. I like to read stories. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? I am feeling better. I am feeling better. Not so good. Not so good. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Yes, please help. Yes, please help. No, thanks. No, thanks. How was your day? How was your day? Not so good. It was fine. It was fine. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Yes, absolutely fine. Yes, absolutely fine. How is your health? How is your health? I am fine. I am fine. What bring you here? What bring you here? I am here to meet you. I am here for my work. Are you married? Are you married? No, I am not. Yes, I am married. Yes, I am married. Who is that fellow? Who is that fellow? He is my friend. He is my friend. What are you playing? What are you playing? I am playing football. I am playing football.